Hey guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to get a refund of Netflix. So the one thing you need to do is Netflix cannot give you a refund directly because this is not value for the term of use of the app. So one thing you can do is go to Google and you search help center of Netflix. So in the help center, you need to go. Here and how can we help in the option of contact us. So in this part, you need to describe your problem, your issue. You can put your Netflix account and you describe to them the problem of refund, and you can start a call with them or start a chat. So that's the two options to talk with Netflix and try to get a refund of them. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.